If you're a senior adventurer or planning a trip later in life, you're in the right place. Traveling should be exciting, comfortable, and rewarding at any age. Today, we're going to uncover insider tips that can make your journey easier, cheaper, and a lot more enjoyable. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest travel tips and tricks. Now let's jump into 12 senior travel secrets that airlines definitely don't want you to know. Whether you're planning your next adventure, visiting family, or embarking on that dream trip you've waited years for, these tips will save you money, reduce hassle, and make your journey smoother than ever. Stick around till the end. Some of these may surprise you. 1. Book flights directly for better protections. It might seem cheaper to book through third-party websites, but when you're a senior traveler, you need flexibility and fast support. Airlines prioritize direct customers when problems arise, like cancellations or rebookings. Imagine needing to change your plans last minute and getting stuck in endless customer service loops. Booking directly can save you hours of frustration. Always book on the airline's website to ensure faster service and better protection if something goes wrong. You'll thank yourself later when unexpected events pop up. 2. Ask for senior discounts, even if they're not advertised. Many airlines quietly offer senior discounts, but they don't always advertise them. When booking, call the airline or visit the ticket counter and simply ask. You might feel a little hesitant, but it's absolutely worth it. Even a 5% to 10% discount can add up over multiple flights, especially for international travel, where ticket prices are higher. Don't leave money on the table. It's there because you've earned it. 3. Don't settle for the first seat offered. Airlines often reserve better seats for preferred customers, but many of these seats open up 24-48 hours before the flight. After booking, keep checking your seat assignment online. You might snag a better location, like aisle seats or ones closer to the front, without paying extra. A few extra clicks could mean a far more comfortable trip, especially on longer flights. Plus, being closer to the front often means quicker boarding and faster exit once you land. 4. Use the 24-hour rule to rebook cheaper flights. If you book a flight and see a cheaper price within 24 hours, US airlines must let you cancel or change it with no penalty. Seniors traveling on a budget can save big with this simple trick. Always monitor your ticket price for the first day after booking. It's an easy, stress-free way to maximize your travel dollars. Set a quick reminder on your phone so you don't miss that golden window. 5. Pack a flight survival kit. Don't rely on airline amenities. Pack a small kit with a refillable water bottle, healthy snacks, extra medications, a neck pillow, a compression blanket, noise-canceling headphones. Imagine getting stuck on the tarmac for hours without water or snacks. Having your own essentials can make a huge difference in comfort and peace of mind. Even a good book or crossword puzzle can turn an unexpected delay into a relaxing break. 6. Skip basic economy at all costs. Basic economy tickets are loaded with restrictions. No seat selection, no carry-on bags, no ticket changes. It may look cheaper, but it can become very costly and stressful for seniors. Picture arriving at the gate and finding out you have to sit in a cramped middle seat at the back of the plane. Always compare main cabin or standard economy fares before booking. The slightly higher price is usually worth it for peace of mind, flexibility, and a smoother boarding experience. 7. Use your mobility needs to your advantage. If you have any mobility limitations, airlines are required by law to accommodate you. You can request early boarding, wheelchair assistance, help with overhead bags, and closer seats to the front. It's your right, and you'll make your travel experience much easier. Plus, early boarding often gives you extra time to settle in without feeling rushed by other passengers. 8. Watch out for hidden fees. Airlines have gotten tricky. They often lure travelers in with low base fares, but add fees for seat selection, baggage, boarding priority, and more. Seniors especially should be cautious. Always use the airline's fare breakdown tool to see the true cost before booking. What looks like a good deal could end up costing far more than you expected. Always read the fine print. Even seasoned travelers can get caught off guard. 9. Bring your own entertainment. In-flight entertainment systems are aging and Wi-Fi can be spotty or expensive. Bring your own device loaded with books, audiobooks, TV shows and movies. Don't rely on the airline for entertainment, especially on long-haul flights. Imagine being stuck with a broken screen and nothing to do for 8 hours. A fully charged tablet can be a real lifesaver. 10. Don't be afraid to complain nicely. If something goes wrong, speak up. Airlines often compensate inconveniences with free miles, seat upgrades, or travel vouchers. A polite but firm complaint about delays, seating issues, or service lapses can really pay off. Always document your experience with photos or notes if needed, and follow up in writing if you don't get an immediate response. Remember, respectful communication goes a long way in getting what you deserve. 11. Choose non-stop flights whenever possible. Layovers add stress and fatigue, especially if you have mobility concerns. Non-stop flights might be slightly more expensive, but they're worth every penny for a smoother, simpler experience. One direct flight beats the stress of rushing through unfamiliar airports trying to catch a connection. Plus, non-stop flights reduce the risk of lost luggage and missed connections. 12. Check airport services for seniors. Many major airports offer special services for senior travelers. Expedited security, motorized carts, designated lounges, and more. Research your departure and arrival airports in advance to take advantage of these perks. A little preparation can transform a stressful airport experience into a smooth and enjoyable start to your trip. Check online maps or call ahead to understand what your airport offers. All right, let's take a quick breath. So far, we've covered booking strategies, packing tips, navigating airport services, and protecting your wallet. Hopefully, you're already feeling more confident about your next trip. Which of these tips surprised you the most so far? Let me know in the comments. Up next, I'm sharing a few bonus secrets. Strategies even frequent flyers sometimes overlook. Let's dive back in. Bonus secret 1. Always request wheelchair service even if you don't need it yet. Even if you can walk fine, long airport distances can be exhausting. Wheelchair services often come with expedited security screening and priority boarding. It's free with your ticket. You just need to request it in advance. It's about saving energy for the adventure ahead, not just for getting through the airport. And bonus, it often comes with personalized assistance through confusing airport terminals. Bonus secret 2. Know the best times to fly and be strategic about travel insurance. Midweek flights, Tuesday and Wednesday, are typically cheaper and less crowded. Early morning flights also experience fewer delays. Seniors can take advantage of these sweet spots to make travel less stressful. Avoiding peak travel days also means easier boarding and less chaotic airport environments. Also, not all travel insurance is equal. Seniors should look for plans covering pre-existing conditions, trip cancellations, emergency evacuations, and lost luggage. Imagine needing emergency care overseas and realizing your insurance won't cover it. Always double-check your coverage, and sometimes your credit card offers hidden benefits too. Spending a few extra minutes reviewing your insurance can save you thousands later. Bonus secret 3. Keep essentials with you and download airline apps. Always keep medications, important documents, chargers, valuables, and one change of clothes in your carry-on. Airlines lose or delay checked luggage more often than they admit. Having your essentials in your carry-on means you're protected, even if your suitcase goes on its own vacation. And don't forget to download airline apps. They send instant updates about gate changes, flight delays, and baggage tracking. Plus, you can use mobile boarding passes to skip lines, saving you time and stress. Think of it as carrying a personal travel assistant in your pocket. And best of all, Most airline apps are completely free. Senior travelers today are smarter, savvier, and more adventurous than ever. And you deserve every perk and protection available. Airlines may not make these secrets easy to find, but now you know how to navigate the system like a pro. Before your next flight, remember, book smart, pack prepared, advocate for yourself, and never be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Safe travels, and may every trip be your best one yet. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and share this with someone who needs a little extra travel wisdom. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own favorite travel tip. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy travels.